12-string guitar.
Lana Del Stewart. Lana Del Stewart. That's all I'm
This is
saying.
2014.
You should go on tour with Jeff Bridges.
November
Who's just here.
11th.
John, really pleasure to talk to you. We'll see you whenever
news.
John comes out here to win
In
all the
Los
Emmys.
Angeles.
He stares at me in the press
I
room and he always
remember
feels sorry for me. Which is understandable.
hearing about this a long time ago.
Thanks, John. That was great.
That's terrific.
Okay, very quickly, checking out what's going on in the weather forecast. A lot of clouds moving in and definitely cooler temperatures over the next couple of days. But the good news is by the time we get into the weekend, it will clear out and
1970,
warm
I
up
remember
very
them
nicely.
talking about
69 to 68
unrest
over the
in
next
the
2
Middle East,
days.
1979.
Thursday, Friday, 71 to 74. And then really warming up over the
81,
weekend.
I remember the
Once you have
turmoil
a
that
look what's
occurred
happening
there
in the Inland Empire,
in the Middle
68 to
East.
67 today and tomorrow. That's about
I remember
8
them
or 9
talking
degrees
about the
below
New
normal
World
for
Order.
this time of the year. Saturday
All
and
of us were,
Sunday,
like,
perfect
laughing.
days, 74 to 77 degrees, absolutely gorgeous.
Now, 2014.
And overnight, not getting too cold because
Okay.
the cloud cover keeps it nice and warm. Overnight temperatures at about 54 to 55 degrees. That's what is going on in the weather forecast at the moment.
Sounds good. The tech you might someday find inside your body. Let's get ready to text in to win to fix your cracked phone screen.
Finally, Rich Shapiro is here with our tech update. You're going to fix my
Hey,
screen.
Rich.
Yeah, and you might have money left over with how generous these Radio Shack gift cards are. We're going to give you that in just a moment. But first, all this week, we've been showing you ways to live longer and better, like the tech that one day might be inside your body. Have you ever heard of smart dust? Well, it could be the future of medicine. Computers smaller than a grain of sand. Tiny little devices called motes sent inside your body to attack cancer, dull pain in a specific area, and more. It's crazy, but it's going to happen. Doctors would be able to work on your insides without actually going inside. Plus, you've heard of microchipping pets? Well, perhaps it's only a matter of time before humans are implanted with tiny RFID chips at birth. Yeah, it's crazy sounding. It'll be tougher to fake a new identity, but this means we can all be tracked easier than ever, so Big Brother and privacy concerns will be an issue. But look on the bright side. You've got your Apple Pay with your iPhone, and your ID is inside you. What more do you need? No wallet.
Never can say